Catching a Bigfoot, and we're just
Yeah, we're gonna go catch a Bigfoot. We got Reggie. Reggie will protect us, huh?
and I will protect you.
Thanks. So yeah, today's my birthday. And the mountains are starting to get all orange and stuff, the leaves for fall time. And so we want to go up the canyon. And James wants to find a Bigfoot, and I want to get some cool videos of it. So that's what we're gonna do. I literally have 2 different shoes on because I was trying 2 different shoes to see which ones I like best. And then I forgot to pick. So I look like an idiot.
Why are you wearing a gray one and a blue one?
I know.
Oh, my legs are tired.
How are your legs tired? We just started.
I need a break.
Look how awesome it is up here. You got your sword? You see a Bigfoot yet?
Go down there, Wedge. Go down there.
Should we go check for Bigfoot down there?
Huh?
You think he's down there?
Yeah, maybe I think so.
You think so? Let's go down there. There's a little trail right there.
Maybe it will be a little careful if you
It's
want.
raining.
Huh?
It's raining. Hurry, let's go. It's raining. You get all wet. You gotta hide in the trees. What in the world? I'm not prepared. Oh no, James. I'm so sorry. James, it's raining on us. You like it? Okay. Are you having fun?
I'm eating it.
Okay, we're having fun, I guess. So that's good.
We're battling in the rain.
I'm coming.
Good winner.
Uh-oh, I'm feeling some hail. I'm a little worried. I just don't want James to be uncomfortable. It's fine if I'm uncomfortable and cold, but... Oh my God! It's hailing! Hey James, let's go back! Hurry! We gotta run to the forest! Hurry, run fast!
Why?
Because we gotta hide from the hail.
Why?
Because the hail's gonna hurt us. Go fast! Hurry, hurry! Hurry, go fast! Go to the forest. Okay, should we hide in the trees? Hide in the trees. So we don't get too wet. Okay, go hide in the trees up there.
Ow!
Are you okay? Okay, I'm hiding in the trees. Did you get your finger? Is that better? Are we getting too wet? Should we go to the car? Or should we hide here in the forest?
We're getting too wet.
Okay. Well, we're gonna be brave. Should we be brave? Hey, this way. I think it's stopping. It's not raining so much. Is that better?
Yeah.
You happy? Okay, let's still go back because we're gonna get wet and cold.
No.
Come on, let's go. Do you want to go back to the car?
No.
Oh, what do you want to do?
I want to go see that Bigfoot.
Okay, we'll still find the Bigfoot. Let's keep looking for him.
We are not this way. Following me.
Maybe he's following us.
We're looking for Bigfoot. Well, we better find him where he's hiding.
Yeah.
Where's he hiding at?
He's a good hider, so it might be hard to find him.
It stopped raining.
It did. Look how beautiful it is.
Come. Look, I heard them growl. Let's go footprints here.
Wow, look how awesome it looks. Is that a footprint? You think so? He has big feet. Is that why it's called Bigfoot? Okay, put your hand in there. See how much bigger it is. All right, maybe he's this way. Keep going. That was so cute. He's like a footprint.
Mama, hold my hand.
You getting tired? You getting scared?
Huh?
You scared or you tired?
I'm scared.
Oh, don't be scared.
What?
It'll be okay.
I will just stop.
Yeah, you can stop. You can head back. Should
No.
we head back? Okay. We did a good try looking for Bigfoot. Should we go back
No.
and try to find him later? We can go to a different spot.
No.
But what if we get so tired and we get too far away from the car?
I want to go see that Bigfoot.
Yeah, maybe he's back the other way.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back the other way.
Where's he hiding? He's a good hider.
You did such a good job trying to find Bigfoot.
Yeah.
You were so brave.
Yeah.
All right, we tried to find Bigfoot. We couldn't find him, huh, James?
Yeah, he was hiding.
He's hiding.
He was a great job hiding.
He did a good job hiding. So we'll come back and look for him later, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Can you say bye, everyone?
Bye, everyone.
Say bye, Bigfoot.
Bye, Bigfoot.
All right. Our car's just right down there. We're almost home.